Hi, I'm Amelia, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'll be talking about using thermal styling tools.
When using a curling iron, this is the problem that most people get into, is where this goes. And again, looking in a mirror, doing it on yourself can be a lot harder. So just think, where do I want this curl to go? If I want this curl to go back away from her face, then the duckbill goes out. And I curl it back. And however I want that curl to fall is how I'm going to curl it. I want this curl going back, so I'm going to curl it back away from her face. If I want this curl to flip up, then the duckbill goes down. So the duckbill kind of always goes in the opposite direction of how you want to curl the hair. And then you curl the hair up, and you get a flip up. If you want something to go down, again, I'm curling down, so the little duckbill's up. Now, how do you get those nice waves? Always make sure that whenever you're curling your hair, the higher you bring that hair up, wherever you bring that hair up, and the closer you bring it to the scalp, the tighter that curl is going to be. So if you want that curl to be loose, don't bring it all the way to the scalp. If you want it to be nice and tight, bring it all the way to the scalp. Also, you always want to let that hair set after it's been heated. You want it to cool, and that'll help hold that curl a little better. If you don't want it to set so much, then right before it cools, you can comb it out a little bit, and that will relax it a little bit more. So just remember, the duckbill, this little guy here, always goes in the opposite direction of how you want your hair to curl.